The Apple Vision Pro headset is going to revolutionize the way that we work and play, and it is arriving on February 2nd in the United States. Here's everything that you need to know. The Vision Pro will be available for pre-order starting on Friday, January 19th, and it'll be available for pickup on Friday, February 2nd. Priced at $3,499, the Vision Pro combines cutting-edge technologies from the Mac, the iPhone, the iPad, and even the Apple Watch, offering advanced augmented reality capabilities, enhanced camera technology, and seamless integration with every Apple device in your ecosystem. But let's dive deeper into what makes the Apple Vision Pro so remarkable. Now, these features are not just bells and whistles, they are designed to supercharge your productivity and make your digital life that much better and just all the more seamless. Imagine having advanced augmented reality capabilities at your fingertips, allowing you to visualize and interact with your digital content in a whole new way. Whether it's collaborating with your colleagues on a 3D design project or exploring educational simulations, the Vision Pro opens up a world of possibilities that I think you want to step into. The enhanced camera technology isn't about just taking stunning photos with the Vision Pro. It's about scanning documents with precision, participating in conference calls with FaceTime, and capturing the world around you using augmented reality. In a way that's going to blend everything so seamlessly together, I think you'll have trouble telling what's real and what's not. And when it comes to integration with Apple devices, the Vision Pro is going to be a true champion in nature, ensuring that your content and apps are always at your fingertips, both literally and figuratively. But it's not just about work. Vision Pro offers immersive gaming and entertainment experiences with the ultra high definition 4K displays that are actually about the size of postage stamps that you get one per eye, which makes it look like you are interacting with a screen that is about 100 feet wide. You can dive into 180-degree three-dimensional 8K videos with spatial audio, making movies and TV shows all the more captivating. Now, gamers will be in for a real treat with more than 150 3D titles, including NBA 2K24 Arcade Edition and Sonic Dream Team, with support for your favorite game controllers. Gaming has never been so immersive. Now, you'll be able to explore new games like Game Room, What the Golf, and Super Fruit Ninja. I mean, come on, that's a classic. To take in all the advantages of Vision Pro's immersive capabilities. Imagine swiping fruit in 3D. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait for it. Now, the user experience is nothing short of exceptional, with the headset being designed for comfort, allowing you to wear it for extended periods of time without having strain. Now, I don't know about you. I'm kind of worried about having that thing on for a couple hours. I might have some eye strain, might have some head strain. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. But the intuitive interface allows easiness of use, making it more accessible to anyone who can afford the very pricey $3,500 price tag. Now, the Apple Vision Pro is going to be a game changer for productivity, entertainment, and everyday tasks. And it's not just a device that you're going to, I think, casually use every once in a while. It's going to be something that you're going to put on, and it's going to be like a destination that you want to go to that's going to take you into like a new dimension. I don't want to sound too cliche, but I want you to stay tuned for in-depth reviews of the Apple Vision Pro, because I do plan on getting one. I am a little bit skeptical about how much it can actually help, workflow. I do think that there will be some advantages for professional workflows, video editing, music editing, but I want to know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if you're planning on picking up an Apple Vision Pro. My name is Mike. Guys, I will talk to you in the next one.